video. Today I just sent the deal to my brother right now. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make sure to review videos. That's the way YouTubers to platform my subscribers and likes. Big shout out to Joe the Tool Guy. Make sure you guys go check out his channel. He did post this first. That's where I got this information. So make sure you guys go over there and say hi. Joe the Tool Guy, that's his channel name. So we got the M12. This is a killer deal, guys. This is an all-time low price for this fuel kit. This is M12 fuel, 12 volt lithium brushless cordless hammer drill and impact driver. Come with 2 batteries, charger in the bag, 2 tools, 2 batteries. Guys, these are fuel tools, guys. $179. If you guys punch in this store number, let me just hear it says new haul. I forgot what the store number was. Let me just go here real quick. Store number 1055. Again, I repeat, store number 1055, new haul. That is the store number. Once you guys punch in that store number, this thing's gonna drop to $179. From $229, it's gonna drop down to $179. Make sure you guys pick them up before they change the price. This is a price glitch, guys. All right, so you pick your free tool, you add both to the cart, you go to the cart, and you're gonna see the price. It's gonna be a killer deal, really good deal if this thing loads up. All right, items in the cart too. So we got the tool, guys, the tool kit, the fuel tool kit, $97 from $229 down to $97.69. Guys, this is a one in a lifetime pricing. If the price doesn't drop and if it glitches on you, all you have to do is just choose store pickup, and then after you choose that, then choose ship to home, and it brings the price down to the $97.69 if it didn't do it initially. That's what I had to do right now. The ratchet, guys, the ratchet's another great deal. This is a really good deal for $81.31. You can't beat this. These are just awesome prices. $179 for both. Go get them, guys. Make sure you guys get them now, ASAP, as soon as possible. I'll leave the link down below in the description section. Like I said, big shout out to my man Joe the Tool Guy, and we'll see you guys in the next one.